I want to be very clear with everybody. We see this as a major storm. It has life and death implications, and all the residents of the District of Columbia should treat it that way. We need the city's full cooperation, and we need the media's help too, to send the clear message that we want people to hunker down, shelter in place, and stay off the roads. We need people to be in a safe place today just as soon as they can for their own safety and for the safety of our public safety personnel and our first responders. We also need you to look in on your neighbors, and especially think about them now. If anybody you know is outside, we need to get them inside as soon as possible.